In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to freeze columns in Google Sheets. Freezing a column keeps important information visible while you scroll, which is especially helpful for headers, names, or IDs that you need to reference as you move across a wide sheet. Start by selecting the column you want to keep in view. Click the letter at the top of the column header, like A, B, or C, so the entire column is highlighted. This ensures Google Sheets knows exactly where you want the freeze boundary. If only a single cell is selected, Sheets won't know your intended range, so make sure you click the letter itself. Next, look to the top menu bar and open the View menu. Inside, you'll see a freeze option. Hover over or click Freeze, and you'll have a couple of choices. Choosing fonts. One column freezes just the very first column in your sheet, which is column A, regardless of what you selected. This is great if your first column contains key identifiers and you want it locked in place at all times. If you need to freeze more than just the first column, choose Up to Current Column. This option locks every column from the start of the sheet through the column you selected. For example, if you selected column C, Up to Current Column will freeze columns A through C. After you make your selection, try scrolling to the right. You'll notice the frozen columns stay fixed on the left, while the rest of your data moves, making it much easier to compare information without losing context. If the frozen area isn't what you intended, simply adjust your selection and repeat the process to set the correct boundary. Here's a quick tip to speed things up. You can also freeze columns by dragging the thick gray bar in the top left corner of the grid, where the row numbers and column letters meet. Hover over that bar, then click and drag it to the right until it lines up with the last column you want to keep visible. Release the mouse, and your freeze is set. This method is fast and visual, and it's handy when you need to adjust the boundary on the fly. That's all there is to it. By selecting the right column, using the View menu to choose Freeze, and optionally dragging the gray bar, you can keep your most important columns locked in place and work more efficiently in Google Sheets.